everybody. Just got a new RC. Go ahead and unbox it and show you what it is. The box is kind of overkill. It looks more like a 6th scale. I just got the new, well, I don't know how new this is, but I was looking at crawlers and I ran across the Redcat Gen8 version 2 and I'm like, man, that is awesome. I love International Scouts too. I'm a diehard IH guy. So I kind of like the green, but I like the purple too. It's kind of odd they have Mopar colors, but the purple I could get this weekend and the green I couldn't, so it pretty much made my decision. So we'll go ahead and unbox her and see what she looks like. Kind of some nice fluffy covering on the body there. It has moved around a little bit. Oh, I see, it's got a cover on it. That's cool. I had to switch cameras because I was using the Rebel. I thought I'd try the Rebel once, and I don't think the sound's near as good on it, but the battery died within 5 minutes. So we'll try this again. Let's pull it out of the box. It's our manual. It seems to be packaged pretty well. Man, it looks so good. Man, it looks good. Got foldable mirrors on the sides. It's pretty awesome. In case you're wondering, I was between this and an SCX-10 III, but this was so much cheaper, I just had to get this one instead. I really like the idea that, or I like the fact that the SCX-10 has dig function on the front, and it says 2-speed option. So we'll have to, I kind of wanted that, but for $500 versus $300, this looked like this seemed like the big win. So, no-brainer is the word I'm looking for. And I've seen some comparison videos on other guys' channels, and it looked like this thing was pretty capable for the money. And I'm like, man, for $300 you get a lot of truck. It's supposed to be Velcroed on. It's brand new, I don't want to hurt it. Good Velcro. Man, it's a really heavy body. It's already got the fenders built in. I've never had a new SCX or axial anything. I kind of hated that somebody hacked a lot of mine. There's a little bit of rubbish here from the shipping. No big deal. It's going to get scratched up anyway. I like that there's some decals already put on here. It says Redcat in the windows. The paint job isn't perfectly straight, but it's pretty good. Man, it is nice and heavy. This thing's really heavy. Man, it feels good. It feels so good. Oh, yeah. And I also thought that in comparison to the SCX 10-3, this one just looked so much more scale with the shiny hooks and the diff covers and the metal links already metal. And I don't know, from a catalog viewpoint, this just looked like it was fancier. And like I said, cheaper. So it's pretty cool that they have the motor up front, and you can definitely tell that it's going to be a good climber. And the battery in the center for nice center of gravity. Man, nice. I'm so excited. And these tires are softer than they look. I thought they'd be kind of hard. But Redcat, man, hit the nail on the head with this one. Awesome. What else do we have? Got our radio here. Oh, the tire's a little off. No big deal. And just a plain body, plain purple. I was like, I don't know. But then I saw some pictures with stripes and it just looked badass. I was like, that is sweet. So, and there's also some more Scout stickers on here. Interco Tire Corporation. They got the Sasquatch. A flag of some sort. I don't know what country that one is. .25 kilo front servo. I've got this one on several other cars I've got on Amazon. I mean, I've got this servo off Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing. This has the jumpers, just like the old SCX10. So easy switch out, very accessible. Massive ground clearance. Portal axles was a huge seller for me on this one. I was like, man, that's so cool. Another thing that's really awesome is the divorce transfer case. I didn't even notice this when I ordered it. Instead of having the case right in the middle with the motor attached to it, it's got a gear case here that goes to a drive shaft, which then goes to a transfer case in the center. Very realistic. Also, the lights on this body are LED ready. See, they already have a hole right here. You can put your LED in and have 3 lights on the tail lights if you filled every hole. And on the front here, you can put 2 in there. Dims and brights. And it even says Redcat on the grill. Kind of looks like an intercooler right there. Well, I guess it's a radiator. What am I thinking? You could call it an intercooler if you wanted to. It's a Redcat intercooler. Turbo. And I like that you can adjust these bumpers real easy. Probably can do that with an axial too. Battery fits in real nice. It's a Z battery I got. I've had this for a while. I use it on a lot of stuff. You can tell it's already dirty. I like that the shock mounts have a lot of different options already on both ends. It's already got aluminum shocks. It's a 550 can, 17 turn brushed. You can see this also has adjustable links. Very accessible too. I mean, this has adjustable holes for the link positions. Same thing on the axles. Very cool. And it just feels like it's built so well because it is so heavy. I also noticed that the U-joints are all metal, but they're kind of... It's like it's fused into the plastic. It's a metal end, but then it goes to a plastic shaft. Also has a panhard bar already built in. I like that it's a very scale-mounted servo. You can see the panhard bar there. Aluminum shocks. Very nice skid plate setup. I have a pic. I put this next to the SCX-10 I already have, so we can compare the size. The radio on this is pretty typical. Looks kind of generic, but nothing out of the ordinary for a ready to run, in my opinion. I don't know. I wish this would stay all the way up, but it does stay up, I guess. Typical. You got your normal reverse for the servos, bind button, dual rate, and trims. Nothing out of the ordinary. Only takes 4 AA's. 2.4. Manual. Looks like it came with some real body mounts. Probably for other bodies. I think that's all that it is. A line plug and an antenna tube. Like a glove. Oh. Once you put the body on here, the Velcro, man, it really sticks. You'd think, oh, it's going to pop right off, but man, it's really on there. Size comparison. One looks like an ultimate adventure machine, and the other one looks like I can drive it to work sometimes. It's got enough weight in the front, you can almost do backwards wheelies. Definitely. Hush. Well, it seems to be running fine. Didn't expect anything different. Redcat really hit the nail on the head with this one. Already got beadlock wheels. Tires are great. I mean, there's not a lot this thing really needs. I don't think it needs anything. I can't wait to build a crawler course in the back behind the track and start doing some more crawling. So, that being said, thanks for watching. Hobbies and Hot Rods. Stay tuned. Next episode, tuned the .26 Offna Pico. Runs pretty good. I had to break it in. I failed to mention in the last video, you may have seen in the comments on the Savage XL Twin video that the last guy I got this from had used a sleeve pincher on the sleeve on this. I don't think he ever broke it in. That would explain why it was so hard to tune that last video. I did break this in. Runs way better. I've got maybe a tank through it after it broke in, and threw a bearing on the clutch bell. So I just got those in, and hopefully we can do a video of this running if it warms up a little bit. So I've been waiting for a good day to do that. Stay tuned. We'll do one of those. Thanks for watching. Hobbies and Hot Rods.